Hello and welcome back. My name is Robyn and this is my channel. I'm so excited because I am doing a Slay Glam, but I am doing the winner of my giveaway palette. So stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I don't know how you found me, but I'm glad you did. So if you like my video and its content, please hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. Tap the notification bell so you get notified of my future videos and giveaways, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate your loyalty to my channel. So let's first do Slay Glam. This is bi-monthly, I think, $25, but as always, I will leave the price below. Very, very, very disappointed in the packaging. Now, I do know that they're going through changes and they're trying to update their packaging. They used to do those cute little pink bags that would come in there. Great packaging, great concept, but I guess it didn't hold up very well in the shipping process. So they're making it sturdier, and so it's going to take a couple months for it to come out. So in the meantime, they ship it in this. My address is on the other side, so that's why I didn't turn it around. So when I got this in the mail, I'm like, what the heck is this package? And I noticed on the top corner it was from Slay Glam. So huge, huge disappointment in the packaging. And then I opened it up. I don't know if you can see, and that's what it looked like. It was just put in there, and there's a couple palettes in there, and they were bubble wrapped, but still, no card, no nothing. Yeah, so especially if I was new to Slay Glam, the first thing I'd be doing is hitting that cancel button. So I did read up, and I know they're going through changes, and you know, then we have the COVID and stuff. The packaging is key when you're getting subscription boxes and you're paying for them. And the other thing is cards. We need cards. We need to know what the product is. We'd like retail prices. That doesn't always happen, but at least a card. So I ranted, okay, and let's get into it. They usually put 5 products in here, and you think maybe they throw in an extra little gift due to this packaging, but I don't think there's one in here. So the first item I'm going to take out is by Sorme, Always Perfect Brows Professional Brow Shaping Kit. And I noticed with all the unboxings that I do, we've been getting a lot of brow shaping kits. And I think it's probably to do with you can't go get your brows done. So they're really trying to help you keep your brows in line. And I think I was reading, I try to keep up on what's going on with the COVID, where people are getting it, kind of where to stay away. And there was a salon, I don't know where a lot of people got the COVID from the salon. So yeah, so probably not going to be going to the salon, but it's a really nice brow thing because it's got the thing that you use to kind of stencil your brows in. So I do like that. There's 2 in here, so that's really nice. And it's got that cute little brush, and it's stuff all over, and it's got the powder. So I do like that, that they put this cute little kit, and it's got the directions on the back. So that's nice. Again, there's no card. I couldn't tell you how much it retails for. Again, the box is probably about $25. So I'd imagine this is probably about $15 for a brow kit. So it's worth it. But darn, where's the card? The next item is by Hikari, and it's a highlighter, and it is in Havana. So like in the name. So how you guys doing? Sorry I started off on a rant, but with all the subscription boxes I know that I get, I'm so impressed with a lot of packaging. And Slayglam used to have, again, really nice packaging, but very disappointed. And so this is the blush, or highlighter, I'm sorry. And I love a good highlighter. Pretty colors. Get closer. And since I am probably going to use this, I'm going to swipe it. This is my second video I'm doing today, and I meant to go wipe my wrists off, and I forgot. So I would use a brush with this. I'm using my fingers now. So let's see. That's pretty. Can you see the shine? So I do like that. And again, it's got the 4 squares, and it has to pass the smell test. So I like that, and I'd imagine this probably retails. I've heard of this brand before. I'd say for $15 or $20. And then I think there's 3 items in here. So they did wrap it double bubble. So, but just the fact that it was all thrown in there. Now this I could tell. South Maine Mint. It must be a lip. Is it a lippy? I can't read it. This is what it looks like. So I'm assuming this is a lip because it's in mint. I can't read the bottom. I can't open it either. I can't read what it is. Oh, here we go. It's a lip balm in mint. So I do like that. I'd imagine it's probably $7 or $10. And I will open that. So that's okay. Then it looks like we got a couple palettes. Oh, more bubble wrap. So they did try to protect it in the packaging. So I'm filming this on a Wednesday, so I don't know if you guys have any plans for the weekend. We're kind of slowing down the plans. I know in Arizona they've opened up places, but then they close certain places, so I'm not sure what's going on. This is a Illumination quad palette. Oh, Illumination, so it's a Golden Rule quad palette. And is it an eye palette? I'm assuming it's an eye palette. See the colors? Because we got the highlighter. I don't know if I'm going to use this. See the colors. I'm not going to swatch it because I'm probably not going to use it. It's very pretty, but it's just not something that I would use, and I don't know how much this would retail for. And then we got the big one. We got the Love Live Sunshine. I like the colors. It's got the like turquoise yellow. A little heart on there, so it's very pretty. It's got a mirror. And it's got purples, lots of purples. But it's very glittery for me. Let me know what you think. I'm not gonna swatch it because good chance I probably won't use it. What do you think of those colors? Are those colors you would wear? I just probably would not use this. And I just hate to try a palette once and then not use it. But what do you think? It's a really pretty palette. But those shimmers just kind of scare me. And it's a very heavy palette. And so to recap, we got this palette. I have no idea how much this retails for. Again, I think this box was like $25. I think it started, I got this like last year, and I want to say it started at like $19, and then it went up like all of them. But I want to say this is probably $25 if I had to guess. This one maybe $15. So I don't even think this is like $100. So I'm a little bit disappointed. I do like the brow kit. I will try that. And the mint probably is very good, but what do you say, $10 for that? And I do like the highlighter. And was that it? I think that was all. So let me know what you think of Slay Glam. If you get it, if you're still gonna continue to get it, what you thought of the packaging, because it's changed. I don't know. So now let's get into the giveaway. So I had gotten, it was called Beat Box, and it was a beauty box, and I just tried it. It had really cute packaging, and I'm gonna leave the link for that video above so you can see how cute the packaging was for that box. But there was a palette in there, and again, it wasn't my colors, so I just hated to take this palette and stick it in the shelf somewhere and not use it. So that in one of my videos, I did a giveaway for this palette. So I will show you what the palette, this is what the front of the palette looks like. No, I got it upside down. And so I did a giveaway, and all you had to do, I think, was put enter me. But these are colors that I'm not gonna wear. So the winner of that giveaway, I just did a random comment picker, and I will put the actual winner of the random comment picker, you know, next to me, and because I did it a couple days ago. And congratulations to that winner. And just send me your address and I will send it out to you. And thank you for all those that entered. And because I have all these other items and all these boxes, there's going to be another giveaway coming up, so just stay tuned. And as always, thank you for taking the time out of your busy schedule to watch me, and you guys have an awesome day.